and it's for managing packages actually. So here, for example, let's say we will install some kind of package. Let's say we'll install this Nova package in here, or whatever other package it can be. So we will install it on this, let's say, on this virtual environment, and we have some. Okay, we have some warnings. So we have some. Okay, let's install something else. Let's install, for example, Flask. It's one of the API, one of the API managers in Python. I've done a video about it, and it's quite very useful. So here we have installed this this package. It's installed. We can install some kind of other package with some specific version. Okay, you have in your environment, like your base environment, some version you work with it, but for some projects you have another version, you would use this specific version on it. Let's say okay, you can upgrade it if you want, and here we can show which version we have. Like I just skipped the upgrade one. We can upgrade it as well. So here we can see like this package where it is, and here we can see that it is actually installed in my tutorial environment. And here you can see it's not installed somewhere else on your machine, but it's installed in this environment we have created. Here we can check, for example, the list of packages we installed. So we installed Flask with its dependencies. We have pip, of course, and we have requests, and of course with their dependencies. And what we do, something really recurrent if you work with Python, is this freeze requirement. So we will just freeze those lists in the requirements. So once you can, instead of, like, let's say you collaborate over code and you want to put it on the Git. So I've made another video about Git and GitHub. If you want to put and collaborate, you don't put all the packages, you just mostly put this requirements.txt, and you can, for example, check it out if you want. I just leave all the comments here in the GitHub repository, so you know, and you can use them just as you want and practice them. And for example, you just, when you collect, let's say here you can see the requirements text, it's here. It's a file, it's a text file that would be just in here. It's a normal text file, and it has all the versions of your modules. And here, let's say you are from another machine, and you want to install those requirements, and you downloaded the code. You just insert here. They say just the installation is satisfied because we installed it on this machine. But if you import your export your code, you would use just the requirements.txt to import all your modules without really taking all the modules with you. So this is really, really handy, and this is it for this one, and hope to see you very soon. Ciao. Hello and welcome. So today will be a bit wrapping up over all this tutorial we have done so far. So just to for you to have access to all your information